If you have been following us for a while, you must already know that lemon is a powerful fruit. It works as a great natural medicine and helps to naturally detox the body, reducing the symptoms of fatigue and improving disposition. Honey has antimicrobial action, which makes it capable of hindering or even destroying the growth of microorganisms that cause diseases. Did you know that combining these two ingredients can help you eliminate worms and parasites? But do you know when you have worms? Abdominal pain, abdominal swelling, nausea, changes in your appetite, and weight loss can be some symptoms of worms. Usually, the contamination happens by ingesting contaminated water and/or food and can happen even in adults. Even though most of them aren't fatal, these worms must be eliminated to avoid propagation, and it can be done using a mixture of lemon peels and honey. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to help us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to watch this. Write down the ingredients of this recipe: 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 glass water. Directions: finely grate the lemon peel as fine as a powder. After that, add the honey and mix it well. Add the water, mix, and drink right away. This treatment can be done for 10 days while fasting. And to prevent more efficiently parasites and worms, remember to thoroughly wash your hands before your meals and properly clean your food before cooking and eating. If you want to learn how to properly sanitize your foods, watch the suggested video right now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.